everybody, welcome to Google and Your Future by Kikelomo Solomon-Ayeni. I am super excited that you are here again today. Public disclaimer, Google did not hire me to do this, neither did I charge for this. I am doing this because my business and I have benefited greatly from Google and its products, and I believe that in this future that has arrived, everybody needs to know how to use Google and its products so that they can thrive. Today, I am looking at Google Documents, also known as Google Docs. You can type it in Google and it will bring it out for you like this. Or you go to your Gmail, you go to the 9 icons here, and you scroll down to Docs, and it will bring you here. Now, this works like your Word document, and it makes your life easy. So you do not have to say, oh, I forgot something on my laptop, or the document is on my laptop, how do I access it? When you make your documents on Google Docs, or you upload, funny enough, if you upload your documents on Google Docs, you can also edit them on Google Docs. So once you have your documents on Google Docs, it makes your life easy, very easy, because anywhere in the world you can sign in to access your file. For this, my book, for example, I go to view only. I first typed it in Word, and then I uploaded to Google Docs and did all the finishing here in Google Docs. So I did not have to pay anybody to do my templates for me or whatever. I just finished it up here in Google Docs, imported my image and did all my adjusting and shared the link, put the link where everybody can access it. So when they click on the link, it brings them here. Sorry, it's taking time to upload because of the internet. So it brings them here, and then they can download it. So they're downloading it individually. It's not bringing them to my entire. So can you see this entire document rather? This document here, I opened them with Google Docs. I started them with Google Docs. But anyone showing you W like this and this, they were imported from Microsoft Word. That's why I'm showing you W, which means they are Word documents, but they are editable here in Google Docs. Okay, so this is an empty. No, I'm not opening it. Okay, so this is an empty folder I didn't use. So now to start working on Google Docs, you can have a blank page, and you bring a blank page and you start imputing all the information you have, or you can pick any template. There are a lot. If I click on template gallery, I will see resumes, letters, business letters, informal letters. I see project, brochure, sample. All of this you can pick a sample, edit them to suit yourself. Instead of you trying to type all of this information from your head, you have templates here that you can just work on, edit, and make your life very easy. So your documents save on your Google Drive. All your files, even though they are here, they're saved on your Google Drive. But it is easier here now because if I'm on Google Drive, I will see all my files. But because I'm on document, I'm seeing all my document files strictly here, which makes it very easy for me to access them. So when I open a blank page, for instance, I come here to Untitled Document. So I open a blank page. I can name my file. I can name it Google Me, for instance. So I name it and it is saved. Even if the light goes off, it saves like almost every time you type something. So even if electricity goes off, there's nothing like, oh, I have not saved my file. You find it there. Okay, and then see all the options you have on Microsoft Words are here. Let's type. Okay, so this information I have here, I can highlight it. I can change the font size. I can change the font type. I can make it bold. I can underline it. I can change the font color. I can even highlight it again, remove underlining, change the font color again, put italics. Can you see? I can adjust its location. Can be in the middle, left alignment, right alignment, and any of my choice. And I can do that for all of these. And I can say the subsequent ones, those ones will be on the right. And I can say the subsequent ones will be only black font, no italics, no bold. And I say, I can do as I like. And I can reduce the font size for subsequent documents. So nothing is disturbing anyone. I can do that. I can import pictures. So I can go to actually Because I go to import, and let's do it this way. I can go to file menu. If you go to file, you can open a new document, or you can say new from template. You can say new spreadsheet, new presentation, new form, all these other ones are other things that we'll do video about also. Then I can say control, I can click on open. When I click on open, it will open me an existing file that I want to open. Probably I can upload, I can open from drive as it's showing me. I can open from whatever files that other people have shared with me, and I can open from my computer and it will open a new file completely. Or so this file I can email as an attachment. This image, this Google Meet document that I am typing, I can email it as an attachment, or I can download it as Microsoft Word. I can download it as all these other formats. I can download it as PDF, EPUB, whatever, and then send it to wherever I want to send it to. So I can make available offline. But they said an extension is needed. So but it's okay. Funny enough, if I work on my Google document offline on my phone, once internet is back, it will save everything I have typed into the Google document. So version history, no, it's fine. And then I can rename the file. I can move it in my Google Drive. I say, okay, move it to this particular folder in my Google Drive, and I can trash it if I want. Okay, so I can go to edit. I can undo and redo. I can paste, view, print layouts, rulers, those things you can do on Microsoft Word. I can insert image, upload from computer, or search the web. So I can click on search the web and search image. While I'm talking about smile, I click on search the web and I find the smiling pictures. A smiling picture from Google. I can say import image from maybe drive, from my photos, from a link, from my camera. That is, I want to take a picture of myself right now and add to this document. So I can upload, is your choice. I can also insert a table. I can insert one table, two, three. I can insert, let's do that. And here you go. If you don't want that table there, you can undo and click on where you want the table. Let's say I want the table here, and I go to insert table 2 by 2 or 4 by 2, and I have the table here where I want it to be, and I can undo if I do not want it. I go to insert. I can insert a drawing. I can say new drawing, or from drive. I go to new, so it brings me here, and then I can draw if I want to. Remember we did drawing in Google Keep. Alright, so I cannot access any of the files yet. Could it be my internet? Okay, drawing. I think it's not uploading yet. Nothing is highlighted for me to do, so I can't even save and close. No drawing. Probably my internet. I'm sorry about that. So I can go to chart. I can say insert a bar, inserting chart. Oh, and I inserted a chart. Good. I can click. Let's see. Can I edit the chart? This is the ready-made chart. Can this chart be edited? I'm trying to so adjustment. Click on adjustment. Okay, so it brought me here. Recolor. Okay, I can change the color. Oh, okay. Brightness, transparency, contrast. Okay. Size and rotation. I can change size and rotation. Okay. Text wrapping. Inline with wrap. Break text. I don't know what that means, but I've not tried it. Okay, I'm trying to see if I can change wrap text both sides. Okay, Ctrl Z. I can't. I'm trying all the options that this text thing can give me. Okay, transparency, brightness, recolor, position, move with text. No, fixed position on page, quick layout. Okay, can I edit text? Okay, I can edit text for this one, or I've not, should I say I've not found out to do that. Alright, so I'm not going to be using that because, so I click on it and I click on delete. I'm not using that, so I can click on horizontal line and I have a line here. So it's your choice. The other things you can add header and footer, just like you have a Microsoft header, footer. You can have page numbers, you can number your page, you can have page breaks, you can break your page, and you can also insert links. See, you can insert a link. You can say yes, that is me. I click on insert link. Okay, let's click on insert link. So I click on insert link. I say click here. So like just click here. Okay, no, sorry. I want to put a link here. Sorry, I'm supposed to put a link here. Let's say, okay, copy google.com. I paste it here. No, yes, that's no. Let's do it this way. Click here. I type this. Sorry. I highlight it. I right click on it. I put link. Then I paste my google.com. Then I click on apply. So what happens is anybody that clicks on this document, anybody that clicks on this, it is going to bring them here. So meaning you can even do that for documents that you are sending to anywhere in the world. Once you put a link on it, it is going to link them. So they click on it and it takes them to a link directly from the document. Whether it's a PDF, whether it's a Word document you send to them. Once you have put, so what I did was that I typed click here normally. I highlighted it. I right clicked on it and I put link. So when I click on link, it brought out this option and then I put a link here and I would apply. So anybody that clicks on click here, it will take them here. I can change the link that I want. Okay, so I can highlight this and even change the color. It's my choice. I can even make it bold. So my choice, maybe I want it to be obvious, and that's that. So you can do other things that you do with your Microsoft Word. You can do them on your Google. In fact, you can translate documents, even right from here. So that you do not have to stress yourself going to translate.com. And you can add bulletins, like you go here. You can change the bulletin type. You can make your choice of the bulletin type. So it's your choice. And then when you are done, you can leave it here on the cloud, or you can go to file, download as whatever way you want to download. You download it and then you send it. So I recommend, please don't send this your raw document, this your link to anybody, except you want them to be able to edit it or view the link before you download. Then you can share it with them in a way that they cannot touch your document. But if you send a document with a raw link like this, probably while they are checking it on their phone, they have mistakenly typed some things into it without knowing, probably typing, misspelling a word without knowing, and you want to share with other people. So just make it easier. You can download and send to them, or you can come to share. When you click on share, to bring you that option like you did with Google Drive, where you can share the link with everybody, or you can type in the name of specific people. If I come here and I type specific email, I click on Oyinkansola Obiyemi, for instance, or she will receive a notification that I shared the document with her, and only her can see it. Other people will not be able to see it. So when I do that, I have option of making an editor to edit this content, or a commentator, she can comment on this content, or she can only view. If I want to make an editor, I want to recommend that this file, you make a copy. Cancel. Let's cancel. So go to file and make a copy so that you have a duplicate of the exact document you are sending, so that even when the other person makes correction on your file, you still have your original copy, so you can compare what they have done to what you sent. But if you send this original to them and they edit it, you may not be able to retrieve it. So make a copy before sharing, and then you can put in their names, and only they will be able to see it. And then remember to make them either a viewer, a commenter, or an editor. So when you click on notify people, they will know. If you don't click on notify people, they will not know that you sent them an email. So notify, and then you can send to them. But if you don't want to put anybody's name here, you can send this link to anybody in the world. When you come here, you just go to, it is saying restricted now because it's suggesting you choose this option. But if you want to share with other people, you go to change to anyone with the link can view the file. So when you click on that, it gives you a link and asks you if you want to copy. When you copy this link and send to anyone, anywhere in the world can view the link. Anywhere, anyone who shares. So when anybody share the link with other people, they can view. So you can say, let them only view, let them comment, or let them edit. So be careful of how you send your links of your document, because if you are saying view, people may see documents you don't want them to see, and then even if, let's say, okay, anybody can view it. For instance, I did this with my book, so anybody with the link, so once they click on the link where I kept it, they can view the book and they can download, but they can only view. I did not allow for comment and editing. I did not want anybody to tamper, because people may mistakenly tamper with your document, not like they plan to do something bad to you, but it could be a mistake and they may not know. So be careful of the options you choose. And when you are done, you copy the link, you click on done, and then you send the link to the people. So you can work on a document. You and several people can work on a document. You can either share the link with them, or you can embed their names in the document so that only they can view the file. And there's no comment. If you had a comment, you'd have seen, but there's no comment. I didn't see anybody. So if I say comment, so meaning you can view it and you can comment, but you cannot type. So this is probably good for book editing if I enable them to comment. By that, so somebody might come to a particular line and put a comment, oh, correct this word, correct this phrase. So when I'm looking at this, I can see all the comments made, where the comment was made, and then I can make corrections rather, which makes your life very, very easy. So that's that for Google Docs. And when you want to go back, you just click on this icon and it takes you back to all your Google document files, and you can continue with whatever it is that you want to do in this world. Okay, so for me, that's how I did my book. So this book is being downloaded all over the world, but they're downloading it from my Google Drive. So I shared this link with public, but I shared it with that they can only view. So when they open it, it takes them to the Google document and then they can download. So that's that for Google Docs, and see you in my next video. Thank you.